Welcome, in front of me is an INFINIX Hot 9, and today I'll show you how to enable the power saving mode. And to get started, simply pull down your notification panel and look for the toggle, which for me is on the second page right here, battery saver. Click on it. As you can see, it gives you information that battery saver turns off or restricts background activity, some visual effects, and other high power features to extend battery life. So turn on. And that literally did nothing in terms of actually changing any kind of visuals, so you can also extend it further, considering the battery saver doesn't do it. You can drop the auto brightness to something lower. This will preserve your battery further if you want to, and you can also go and disable things like either Wi-Fi or mobile data, depending on which one you're using, along with location if you're not using it. So this will further increase your battery. But once you're done with the setting, make sure you turn it off to get back the normal function of your device. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.